Hi everyone, today let us continue on solving money. The cost price, selling price, profit or loss, and how much is the profit, how much is the loss. Di ka kan endon ni class masa kanin enge cost price, enge CP, enge selling price, enge SP, profit chu enge lok na mo. Kan thil lak na aya kan thil shal na mana tam khan kan hloka kha kan profit emo gain tin kan soi thaya chuan kan thil leina aya kan shal na mo kan thil lei kha kan leina aya kan shal na mana claim zo khan kan loss a mo loss chu enge profit chu engtin ye kan zi ang profit chu kan hlok na SP minus CP. SP hi always greater than CP. SP is always greater than CP if we are profit. And if we loss ve thung chu kan thil lak na atam zo ka wangin kan thil leina atang kan shal na zat kan payang kan shal na zat at claim zo ka wangin kan loss a chu wangin CP will be greater than SP in case of loss. Ka kan sin sia do na ni hemi mang hian question number 3 hi ka vai kan chok thei do na ni. Here in the table we have the article thil ming kha kan nei atro nge moni kha an lei ani heti zathian an lei zel ani chuan cost price mo an lei na zat, and here is the selling price. Hemi zata lei kha heti zathian a shal, hemi zata lei kha heti zathian a shal mo heti zata lei kha heti zathian a shala chuan an loss nge profit nge loss a hlok zok nge a chan zok ti kha kan ziak zelang chuan heta a hlok chuan a hlok na zat a chan chuan a chan na zat profit zat emo loss zat kha helai column hi kan fill don ani. Number 3 table ka siam ve kher lawanga ti hian ka ziak mai don ani. Notebook draw CP nang ni po ti hian zia mai turani textbook a khan engma zia kan phal lawa thil notebook kha cheng riati na leya cost price mom and sold it at cheng som pali in a shalani chu cheng riat nge tam cheng som pali CP nge tam SP a tam zok taro 8 a in 14 alian SP a tam zok chuan it is profit ni em athil leina aya a shal chon le na atam zok awangin it is a profit equal to kan tingal mayang profit chu engtin mo SP minus CP. SP chu engzat nge rupees 14 atang engzat mo kapai don rupees 8 kapai chuan engzat nge 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 7 cheng sari kha a profit ti na ni chu chuan next one is watch tai sira han ka ziak mayang sub number po pe chuang lawa ti hian kan ziak to pang watch. The cost price of watch is rupees, if you look at the question, 725, and SP the selling price is rupees 710. Which one is greater? The cost price is greater, isn't it? If the cost price is greater, then it is a loss, and loss will be rupees CP minus SP ti kha kan ziak le kherang kan chuan kan zia chuan ba kan chin chia thei don ani rupees 725 minus rupees 710 will be 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. 7 minus 7, 0. So it will be rupees 15 of loss. Cheng som panga a loss ti na ni chu. Next one. Lalang pavik tau tara. Is box of crayons. Box of crayons. Cheng exactin nge lei. The CP is rupees 170 and the SP, the selling price is 168. Koi nge tamzok. The cost price is more, isn't it? If the cost price is more, then there is a loss. Alak na atamzok avangin. Loss to CP minus SP. Rupees 170 minus rupees 168. I cannot subtract 8 from 0, so I have to borrow 1 from here. So it becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. This 7, since I have already borrowed, it will become 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So there is a loss of rupees 2. Cheng ni at saway ti na ni 2. Next one, gold ring. The cost price is how much? The cost price is rupees 2,220. Ashal chong lea, selling price to 3,000. Koi nge tamzok 2,220 nge tama 3,000. 3,000 a tamzok to SP. If the SP is greater than CP, then there is a profit. Profit to SP minus CP. Here our SP is 3,000 and our CP is 2,220. Can subtract 1. 0 minus 0, 0. I cannot subtract 2 from 0, so let me borrow it from here. So this becomes 10. And from this 10, I borrow it again. This becomes 10. And this will becomes 9. This will becomes 2. Draw. 10 minus 2 is 8. This will becomes 9. Kantika. 9 minus 2 will be 7. Hey here, kaboro to vangin 3 nito lawin 2 nito nga 2 minus 2 is 0. So I will profit 780 rupees. And the last one for question number 3, cake. The cake's cost price is rupees 153 and the selling price is rupees 153. Ay nang chia. Ni chuan loss nge profit or loss? No profit, no loss. Pero angay chia shalavangin a profit lawa, a loss lawbok. No profit, no loss ting kanjak may daw na ni. Chuan kanin liang enghi kha fill in the blanks. Hi kan endo na chumi tur chuan enghi kan shiat ngai kha kan en le lokang kan shiat ngai chu loss le profit le loss. Profit kan ti le gain ti hin ang renga heta hian gain ti hli rina ron peto do na chu wang chuan gain ti khan kan ziak le lokang. There is a gain when selling price is greater than the cost price and the gain equals to selling price minus cost price. There is a loss when the cost price is greater than the selling price and loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Katatang kan enang for sub number A. Cost price minus selling price to enge. Cost price minus selling price to eng mo loss. Draw. kan lak na atanga kan thil shal na man kan pai kha om zia chu kan lak na atam zok khan kan thil shal na man zat kha kan pai thaya khatiang ani kha chuan kan loss ti na ni trom selling price minus gain ani le selling price minus gain chu engzan nge niang om zia chu ithil shal na tang khan mo ithil shal na manzat atang khan ihlok na kha pai ta la enge ron chua kang entir nan thil yy kha lo ti le tai la yy cheng somin ileya cheng som panga inishala yy cheng somin ileya cheng som panga in ilo shalta ni entir nan cheng somai le kha cheng som panga inishala chuan ihlok na chu engzat nge le 15 minus 10 5 tro ani le ithil shal na mana tanga ihlok na ipai khan enge lo chuak ang ilak na za ta ron chuak ang ani m 15 minus 5 chu 10 na ron chuak ang I cost price kha ron chuak do na ni chu ithil shal na tang ihlok na ipai chuan ilak na zat cost price ron chuak don ani le I cost price hi cheng so malo ni ta a chuta chuan ihlok na hi bel ta la enge ron chuak ang ishal na za ta ron chuak do na ni tro yy cheng so min ileya chenga ihlep chuan chenga hlep khan ishal ta ni yy cheng so man kha chenga hlepa ishal chuan ishal na zat aron chuak don ni em ishal na zat chu cheng som panga kha aron chuak don ani cost price plus gain is the selling price ani le selling price minus cost price selling price minus cost price to gain draw gain or profit po kan ti thei kan soi dan khat chu kan tu du dan da ni kan soi theya question in changin gain a ron tianga changin profit atianga boil out turani cost price equal to selling price equal to ani le athil lak na le ashal na a in an khan enge no loss no gain hlok na om lova chan na po om lo alak na ang chia shal kha chuan tro ani le cost price minus loss cost price minus loss entir na heti hian ti ve thungang yy kha cheng so panga in ileya chenga in chenga choi belin ishal ta ni em yy kha cheng so panga in ileya chuanin chenga loss khanin ilo shal ta ni chuanin ishal na chu engzat nge niang ithil leina tang I loss zat I minus khan ishal na za taron lang don taro cheng som panga a I lei kha chenga loss sai shal chuan cheng som mini shal ti na ni em cheng som cheng ti nge mu chwa thei ilak na som panga tang I loss zat I pai khan ishal na zat kharon chuak don ani cost price minus loss is selling price when the selling price of an article is less than its cost price the seller makes a anile thil chu dor kai khan mo thil zwar tu khanin I thil enge monika I athil shal na ain alak na zat the cost price ain a selling price kha atlem chuan ati cost price ain selling price atlem chuan ati chuan enge a profit a gain nge a loss atiani chu mo the seller makes a gain or loss aron ti na ni question hi thil zwar tu pa khanin I thil enge moni kha aleya chuana shal le a kha a shal na kha a leina aya a kha a thil I leina kha no a shal na aya atam zokin if the selling price of an article is less a thil shal chon le na kha a leina aya atlem zo khan mo a thil leina aya a shal na atlem zokin mo kan ngai to manem a thil leina aya a shal na kha atlem zok chuan engmo loss tro if the selling price is less then cost price if the selling price is less to zoom lam then the cost price there is a loss tro the seller makes a loss anile in case of no loss no gain the cost price and selling price are dinye kha hlok box si lo choi bel box si lo ani chuan khatiang anga khan cost price le selling price kha engtinye kha atlem zok e molian zok an om chuan gain e molos ania gain box si lo loss box si lo ani chuan selling price le cost price te kha they are equal anin za chia ni tro khati zong khavoina kan tileanga next class question number 5 can continue donya I will stop here for today. Thank you class.